Do you really make $1 per email subscribers per month with your email list? That is the biggest myth, biggest lie that I'm going to be exposing in this video, my friend. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on how much money realistically you make per email subscriber per month. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you my stats, my results, my monthly stats, and then accordingly with my 4 to 5 years of experience in affiliate marketing, I'm going to be sharing with you how much a skilled email marketer, how much average email marketer, and how much realistically a product owner or a product vendor of those people who have a big realistically buyers list make per email subscriber per month. Okay, it differs a lot. Okay, so in this video you're going to be getting a really important information about the biggest lie that you have been told by a lot of product vendors in their sales pitch, that if you have 100 subscribers you make $100 per month, if you have 1,000 subscribers you make $1,000 per month. That is the biggest lie. You don't make that kind of money, my friend. Okay, and in this recent stage where they have like 95% of crap products releasing every single day, it's absolutely impossible. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you first off my stats as to how much money I was making when this was when I had like a 7,000 to 8,000 email subscribers list. Okay, so this is $490. Then I'm going to be sharing with you. Let's continue with the 4, that is a month of April, and I'm going to be clicking on go. So you're going to be seeing my results in the month of April. Okay, and in this month, in April, I made around, if I remember, I don't know, about $1,000, around $1,000. So I had like 7,000 to 8,000, probably close to that kind of list, and yet $1,200 to $1,242 per month on that particular month. Okay, so I had like 7,000 to 8,000 email subscribers. And let's go to May. And there's a really important, valid reason why I'm sharing with you, so that you can have an idea that how much big email list I need in order to reach my goal. So if your goal is $1,000 per month, if your goal is $5,000 a month, how much big email list you realistically require. Okay, so in the May I made around $1,400, and let's take June, and then we will go to the slides. Okay, let's take June and see how much money I made during June. So this was around a month where there were good products which were releasing, and I was promoting every single day, 2 emails a day. Okay, and yeah, $1,000. So that is what I want to share with you, that when I had 8,000 subscribers list, I was making $1,000 per month. But realistically, let me share with you how much money an average email marketer makes when he gets started and he has like $10,000, 10,000 email subscribers list. Let's see. All right, so I've got a slide which I had made for you, so let me show you that slide, and that slide is, okay, this one. So an average email marketer, trust me, my friend, you can say that I don't know anything, but this is a realistically real number that is a lot of email marketers are making, regardless of how big the email list is. Okay, so if you have 10,000 email subscribers on your list, and email subscribers mean properly permission-based email subscribers. These are not like a purchase leads which you get from Fiverr.com and dump them into a self-hosted autoresponder and then start sending out emails. No, that is not a valid way to do email marketing. The valid way is build a squeeze page, send paid traffic, authenticate paid traffic, and then get the permission of a visitor that you can send them an email, and authentically then send them an email every single day. Okay, So if you have 10,000 subscribers less, you can make $100 to $400 per month. This is the real number, my friend. All right. If you are skilled email marketer, I can say I was a bit. So you can easily make a $500 to $1,000 per month. When I was making like a $1,000 per month, I have just showed you the proof. Okay. Now, what is the difference between an average email marketer and a skilled email marketer? Average email marketer most probably don't have an approval to promote good high converting product. He's new to the game. He don't know which product to promote. He don't know how to write an email swipe. He don't know the right timing to send out emails. So he is a bit confused, and he just get the random product. He just send out email with a good subject line, a good email copy. Maybe he would have copied it from the JV page of that particular product launching, and in that way maybe he could make that kind of money. A skilled email marketer is somebody who understands affiliate marketing. He understands what is the product. He understands what is the product vendor's intention, just to get a bias list or to provide value behind the product. Okay. So he understands which is the vendor who is providing a good value with his product, and if I promote this product, my subscribers will get value. So this is understanding which a skilled email marketer has. He know how to write his email swipe. He know how to write email content with the intention that he gonna be providing bonuses to his email subscribers so that they buy that product. Maybe not intentionally to buy intentionally to purchase the product, but to get the bonuses. Okay. So also skilled email marketer is somebody who is realistically providing value to his email subscribers. Okay. He's not sending out spammy subject line emails. Okay. He know the right timing when to email the subscribers. He know when are the subscribers ready to buy. There are some specific timing, maybe the prime time, maybe the late night time in the US, and these are the timings which only the skilled email marketer knows, and he emails at the perfect timing with a perfect offer with a perfect email swipe. Okay, that is a skilled email marketer. And then there are product vendors who realistically make $1 to $5 per email subscribers. Why? Because they launch a digital product every single month, maybe bi-weekly. After every 2 weeks they launch a product, and they have got those real buyers on their email list who have already spent money on their product, so they are eager to buy. They are action takers. They have credit card in hand. And these are the people who are not afraid to purchase these things. All right. So you can basically send these people email over the first few months. You can sell high ticket items. You can sell a $2,000 product. You can send a $1,000 product. And these virtually product vendors realistically take a webinar before the launch or after the launch ends, and then they sell a high ticket item. And realistically, if you calculate their income, it's like whatever email size they have. If they have 10,000 buyers on the list, they make $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Okay, so these are some of the three categories. Now, what I would share with you, if you are an average email marketer, I can give you some tips that you can be a skilled email marketer. Realistically, always try to provide value. Okay, don't try to promote crap offers. Always see the offer which you're promoting. Think about what would you do if you are on the visitor side. Would you be eager to purchase that offer? If you think that this offer looks really great, I want to purchase it, then my friend, you need to promote it. Okay, whatever it's convincing you to buy will convince a lot of other people to buy. So always think yourself on the customer side. Put yourself on the customer side, on the visitor side, and then you try to promote the product. I used to do this when I got started. I used to see a lot of sales page first. I don't used to see the members area. I used to see the sales page, and I used to think, okay, this product is something which I want to buy, and if it is convincing me, then I'm going to be promoting it. And this is the way I used to choose the offer and as to make some good amount of sales. Okay, so this is something that you can learn. Again, another thing you can learn is don't write spammy subject lines. Okay, be realistic, be a real person. Try to help these email subscribers. You help 10 people, and those 10 people will help you to make a lot of 10 times more money that you want. All right, so don't try to scam people, my friend. All right, use a proper subject line, use realistic email subject line. Try to talk to them as you talk to your friends. Okay, try to help them, ask them questions. What kind of problem you're facing, what kind of income goals you are looking for, what kind of hurdles you are getting in your affiliate marketing business, how much money you have to spend. If you don't have any money to spend, I'm going to be sharing with you a free method that's going to help you make some decent amount of money per month. Okay, so in that way, ask them problem and give them that product as a solution. All right, so in that way you can build a good relationship with your email subscribers, and then from this number 0.1 cent to 5 cents, you can get up to 10 cents per email subscribers. Okay, and if you are good at launching a product, then probably you are going to be getting from $1 to $5 per email subscribers. All right, so that was something I wanted to share with you, my friend. Realistically, these are the real numbers that actually email marketers make per month. They're divided into 3 categories. So think about it, in which category you are, and let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button so that I can improve myself in my next video. Okay, so stay tuned. The next video is going to be really interesting, where I'm going to be sharing with you which are the offers, because I have promoted a lot of offers, which are the offers which you should not promote with solo ads. This is going to be really interesting thing, because I have found some offers which I have promoted. They were converting a few years back, but now they're not converting. So a lot of people think that I have got good results with this offer, so let me promote only this offer. No, times have changed and you have to change accordingly. So I'm going to be sharing with you in the next video that which are the offers which you should not promote with solo ads. So if you want to get that information, please subscribe to my channel, and see you then in the next video. Till then, have a great day, my friend, and bye-bye.